Alright guys, today I'm showing you one of the easiest and funniest ways to make a full video using Invideo.io. And trust me, this thing feels like cheating in filmmaking. Just open Chrome, type Invideo.io, and boom, the website is right in front of you. Once it opens, it genuinely feels like you've entered your own mini studio. Now hit sign up, drop your email and password, and just like that, you're a certified AI video creator. Honestly, it's so easy it feels illegal. As soon as you land on the dashboard, you'll see a bunch of models you can choose from. Pick anything you like. I'm going with the basic model because if basic already looks this strong, I can't even imagine what the advanced one is doing. Probably editing movies somewhere. Now type your video topic in the box, anything you want, and hit generate. The AI will ask you what vibe you want. Cinematic, funny, dramatic, motivational, whatever you're feeling today. Select the style and watch what happens next. This thing makes the whole video for you like it's nothing. Bro, I swear I've never done this little work and still ended up with a full video. If you want to fix or change anything, just click edit and replace clips, text, music, everything is super smooth. And once your video is perfected, hit download and boom, it's yours. Ready to post, ready to show off, and ready to go viral. That's it, the simplest, most entertaining way to make a video with Invideo.io. Try it once and you'll see why this tool is insane. And follow me for more videos like this.